Alright. It's AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm here to talk about how to change a coolant. How to change a coolant. Yes. If you want to change your coolant have been there for some times, and you want to change it. If you want to change the coolant, this is what the easiest way you're supposed to do, or you have to do. First, you open your cover. Yes, a tank cover or pressure cap. You open it. You can see inside. Then you open it there like this. Then you know what? The easy way that you go under, you check the car first. Make sure you check the car, or if where the knob is, then you can get access to that place. What to do is find your bed and then lay down. Follow me. Let me show you this. Okay, then you can get access. You can see this one. Yes, you can see this one. That's this. That is got it at passenger side. Yes, come to passenger side. This one is there. You can see it clear here. So you lose this one. Sometimes it's hard, so we're supposed to get ply. Yes, ply. Then so this is your water tank. This one, here's it. So you can get this at the passenger side. You can locate it as the passenger side of your water tank. Yes, so you can see the drain tap. The drain tap here. You can see it. This is what you lose, then water will come out your water tank. So it's attached to your water kit. Make sure that you don't break it. So you lose this one as it's happened right now. Then you see water will come out from this one. It will come out plenty, into the sense that there's no water remain inside the tank, and then the tank, and then the reservoir. After that, then you close this one again. You close it again, then you fill your tank. So this is the procedures to do. This is how you remove coolant from the tank or from the engine. Yes, this is how you can use to change your coolant. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Eric K Garage. Yes, Eric K. Garage. Yes, Eric K. Garage. And subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me. I have more videos for you. Thank you.